Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making an exfoliating pumpkin enzyme face mask. This face mask is hydrating, moisturizing, exfoliating, helps brighten the skin, and it's packed with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that are amazing for the skin. Here's the formula we're going to be working with. If you're not familiar with formulas, then go watch my video that I'll have linked down below that explains how to transfer a formula into a recipe. I'll also link down below to my Formulating for Beginners series so you guys can learn how to formulate just like me. And if you're new here, hey, my name's Tara. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified for my next upload. And don't forget to go check out all my other videos here on my channel. I have so much content you guys can binge watch. Also, you can use code YouTube for 20% off over on my Etsy shop because I also sell skincare products over there. We're going to be formulating a 200 gram batch and we're going to be starting with phase A. So the first thing you want to add in is some glycerin. I'm using 30 grams. This is a humectant. It will help hydrate your skin. And I'm adding this in first so we can mix it with the xanthan gum, which I'm adding in 4 grams. And when you combine these two together, it prevents the xanthan gum from clumping once you introduce water. And the xanthan gum is going to be our thickener and our gelling agents. So this is how it looks when you combine the two together. And we're going to set that to the side. That's it for phase A. Now we're moving on to phase B, and I'm going to start with the pumpkin puree. So this is from makingcosmetics.com. I'll be sure to link it down below. It contains various natural enzymes that include mild skin exfoliation, has a high content of vitamin A, beta carotene, and vitamin C, and I'm going to be adding in 40 grams of the pumpkin puree. Also, it's important to remember to keep this pumpkin puree in the refrigerator as that is what makingcosmetics.com recommends. So you also want to keep this product in the refrigerator as well for best results. Moving on, I'm adding in 98.80 grams of distilled water. You could use a hydrosol in place of water here if you would like. And then I'm going to be mixing the two together. Now, keep in mind, if you do see chunks in this, it's totally normal. The pumpkin puree has chunks in it. Then I added in 10 grams of willow bark extract. This helps exfoliate the skin. It's non-irritating and it's an antimicrobial. Then 4 grams of papaya enzyme. This is also exfoliating and helps soothe skin irritation. Then 4 grams of licorice root extract. It soothes the skin and it helps brighten the skin. Now combine all that together and then add in 4 grams of DL-panthenol. Again, this helps soothe the skin, it helps hydrate the skin, it helps prevent transepidermal water loss. It's also known as vitamin B3. It's an amazing ingredient for the skin. You see it in a lot of skincare and hair care products. And you just want to mix it until it dissolves, and it dissolves pretty easily. And now I'm adding in 3.6 grams of Tri-State Eco. This is an EcoCert approved preservative. And you can go watch my video all about preservatives to learn more about preservatives. I'm also currently working on a video for Patreon all about EcoCert approved preservatives. My Patreon is $5 a month and I post 2 exclusive videos on there every single month, so go check that out if you guys would like. So now that phase B is all complete, we can grab phase A again and give that a mix just to make sure the xanthan gum and glycerin are well mixed together because it might settle. So mix that again first and then pour your phase B into phase A and mix until it's nice and thickened and gelled. And here's what the consistency looks like once phase A and B are combined. So this last part is optional, but I'm going to add in some bamboo stem powder. This is also from makingcosmetics.com. Again, I'll have it linked down below along with all the other equipment I use. This is a very, very fine powder that helps exfoliate the skin. And I'm only going to be adding in 2 grams of the bamboo stem powder. And I just want like a gentle, mild physical exfoliation to go along with this mask because I think it'll feel really nice when you're applying it and removing it. So again, that's optional. You don't need to add it in, but here's what the viscosity looks like afterwards. I noticed it looks a little bit thicker, but I think it's just because of time. I don't think the bamboo stem powder thickened it. I just think after the xanthan gum settled for a minute, it got a little thicker. Anyways, moving on, we're going to check and adjust the pH. So I always take a little 25 milliliter beaker and pour a little bit of my product in and then put my pH meter in it so I don't contaminate my product by dipping my pH meter in it. And the natural pH is right around 7.8, which is a bit too high. Your skin's natural pH is between 4.5 and 5.5, so we want a pH somewhere between there. So I ended up adding in a couple drops of my citric acid solution, which is 50% citric acid dissolved in 50% distilled water. If you want more information on this process, go watch my video on how to adjust the pH. This is part of my Formulating for Beginners series, which is why it's so important to watch that series so you can follow along these other videos like this and know exactly what I'm doing. So I'll have that video linked down below along with my Formulating for Beginners series. So now I got the pH down to 4.7, which is perfect. And I'm gonna be using these 2-ounce glass jars to jar up the face mask. And I'll try to find some similar ones on Amazon. So this face mask helps exfoliate the skin, helps brighten the skin, helps hydrate, soothe, it's packed with vitamins, and it's great for all skin types. You can use this face mask up to 2 times a week depending on your skin type, and you want to apply it on dry skin with no makeup. Yes, I have eye makeup on. I forgot how to film this, so I left my eye makeup on, and you just apply a nice thin layer all over your face. And I just like to apply it with my hands, but I use a spatula to scoop out the product, and I sort of just massage it on in circular motions to get the benefits of that bamboo stem powder. And then I just leave it on without touching it until it dries, and then wash away with water and my hands. And again, when I am rinsing it away, I use circular motions to get the benefits of that bamboo stem powder as well. So that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the formula. Be sure you keep this product in the fridge since the pumpkin puree is recommended to be kept in the fridge, and that's about 20% of this product. I just want to keep it in the fridge for best results. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and make sure you guys go follow me over on Instagram.
I'm stuck in the motions. I've been consumed by the wrath of time like I'm frozen. I'm shattered in this life. It's still the path that I've chosen. Because I've had a vision. Now I'm on a mission to find myself.